Welcome to Draw My Life with me, Cristiano Ronaldo, to the best player in the world. Second, I was born in Madeira in 1985, and my full name is Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Alfieri. I was named after my dad's favorite actor, Ronald Reagan. At 14 years old, my teacher disrespected my accent, but I played it cool. I threw a chair at him. And guess what I said? Two! I was expelled. Whilst I was playing for Sporting, Liverpool's manager Gerard Houllier turned down the chance to sign me. Forget it, we have Eric Cole. Idiots. In 2003, I played against Manchester United in a pre-season friendly, and Roy Keane said, "Sign him up, Gaffer. He's made John O'Shea look like an absolute fool." So, Man United wanted me to wear number 28 shirt, but I wanted to wear number 7 shirt. And guess who got his way? Me! And guess what? I won some stuff, like the BPL Cup and the FA Cup, and also the Community Shield. In the Euros 2006, when Rooney got sent off and I was caught winking, England fans were furious. And I was furious that Man United didn't seem to support me, so I immediately asked for a transfer. And guess who got his way? Me! Again. Then I signed for Real Madrid for a world record transfer fee signing of £80 million. I transformed into the world's single best footballer, and I won some stuff whilst I was creating awesome celebrations, whilst I was breaking all kinds of records, whilst I was becoming the follow sports star on social media, whilst I was opening my own statue with looks exactly like me, whilst becoming the most charitable sports star on the planet, and most importantly, the biggest achievement today, signing my own underpants reins. Super!